Are you facing problems in sleeping, studying, meditating or working because of the noises which are coming from outside, or the noises from your neighbors, friends, family members, or due to the noises coming from the machines? If you are facing these problems guys, then please stay with me, because I am going to introduce you to the amazing ear muffs that I have just ordered from Amazon, and these will help you to resolve these problems. Hello friends, my name is Nikhil and I welcome you back to the Phone Darshan channel. Subscribe to Phone Darshan channel and click on this bell icon to receive the latest technology information. So now let us go ahead and unbox these amazing ear muffs and ear plugs that I have ordered from Amazon. So friends, let us go ahead with the unboxing. So friends, as you see here, we have these ear muffs from Ampow company. These ear muffs look like a regular headphone. So guys, as you could see here, its specification is, its size is 3.94 into 2.95 inches. The headband size is 11.2 by 1.69 inches, and its noise reduction rating is NRR 28 dB and SNR 34 dB. NRR means noise reduction rating and SNR is single noise rating. These are different standards using which the noise reduction capacity of the ear muffs are defined. So let us go ahead and unbox it. Okay, so when we unbox it, the first thing that I see here is the ear muffs, and along with these ear muffs we also get two set of ear plugs. So what you have to do is, you have to insert these ear plugs inside your ear, and above then you have to wear these ear muffs. So when you do that, you will be able to reduce sound by almost 90%. So another thing that we get here is the warranty. We get 2 years of warranty, and we have to activate here within the 15 days of purchase, and to extend warranty for 2 years. So we will put this warranty card aside, and apart from that we also get a bag here. If you have to carry these ear muffs somewhere, you could put them inside this bag and you could carry them. So this is the overall unboxing friends. Now let us open this also. Okay. So these are the ear muffs, and these two will go over your ears. It looks like very big. So let us go ahead and test these on my ear. First I will put these inside, then I will put the ear muffs over my ears. So now let us put on these ear plugs, and after that let us put on these ear muffs and see how well they perform. You get two set of ear plugs with this product. In order to put them, you have to do like this. You have to press and roll them like this. Once it becomes thinner like this, then you have to put it inside your ears and twist them little bit like this. Now we will do the same for this second ear plug. Take this in your hands between those two fingers. Now press and roll them. Now put them inside your ears like this and twist them a little bit. Since these are made up of foam, so what happens that when you put them inside your ears, they will automatically expand, and inside your ears they will take up any available space. So there will be no space left. Your ears will be completely occupied with these ear plugs. So friends, if you even put on these ear plugs, then these will cancel out around 60% of the noises. And if you put on these earplugs, these will be very comfortable, and you will be able to sleep comfortably by wearing those earplugs or study also. Now in order to provide 100%, not 100%, around 90% noise cancellation, what you have to do that, you have to put these ear muffs also above your head. So let us see how they work. There one thing to notice here is these are automatically getting expanded based on your size of the head. See, like this. So you have to put them like this and pull in a little bit. Once you have done this, then around 90% of the voice will be cancelled. Guys, while making this video, I was able to hear the sound of the children who were playing outside my flat, but now that sound has completely vanished. So in my opinion, this is a very good combination of earplugs and earmuffs which could provide you around 90% of noise cancellation. Now let me tell you why this is providing 90% of cancellation and not 100%. So guys, if any product claims that it could cancel 100% of the noise, then it is lying to you. I am telling you the reason. The reason is the sound actually is a kind of vibration, the vibration that travels through your ears to the eardrums. When that vibration strikes those eardrums, then those vibrations are conducted to the brain. And now, even if you put on these earplugs, then there are bones of the skull here. So when the vibration of the noises, what are noises? Noises are just the vibrations. So those vibrations, when they strike on the bones which are around the ear or of the skull, then your bones of the skull or the bones which are beside your ear, those bones also start vibrating with those vibrations, and those vibrations are also transferred to the eardrums. So still you will be able to hear 10% of the noise because of that, because no noise cancelling device could stop the vibration of the bones, which happens due to the vibration of the noise which is hitting the bones here. So I am saying that these earmuffs and earplugs combination will cancel the noise by 90%. If any other product tells you that it could cancel the noise by 100%, then they are lying to you. After putting on these earplugs and earmuffs, I am hearing only my own sound that when I am speaking to you. No other sound is reaching out to me. Some children were playing outside, some voices of the family members were coming to me, but they are no longer coming to me. So I think for me this is a very good thing. If you put on these earplugs, then you will be able to study well, you will be able to meditate very well, and if you want to sleep, then please take on these earmuffs and only use these earplugs. When you use these earplugs, you will be able to sleep peacefully. Now some negative things about these earplugs and the earmuffs. The first thing is, some people have complained that these earplugs are a little bit tight around your ears. I think that is for a valid reason. If these are not tight around your ears, then they will not be able to provide noise cancellation. And if you use these earplugs and the earmuffs combination for around 25 to 30 minutes, then you will get used to them. When you are new to these products and when you are using them for the first time, then for the first 25 or 30 minutes, you will feel the pressure of these earmuffs around your ears a little bit. But after some times, you will get used to it, and these will actually prove to be very helpful. And apart from this, the second thing is, if you wear your glasses like this, then these glasses could create a very small minor gap between your ears and the earplug, and around 1% of the noise could slip through. But I have just wore those glasses and I have found those differences to be negligible. I was not able to differentiate between when I was wearing the glasses or when I was not wearing the glasses. Now let us come to the price of these earmuffs and the earplugs. So these earmuffs and earplugs costed me around 1500 rupees on Amazon, and it will be around $16 to $20 in USD. But these are value for money products for me. And at the end of this video, let me give you a bonus tip. If you are not satisfied from these earmuffs, or you think that they are very heavy or they could prove uncomfortable, in that case you could order these earplugs also separately from Amazon. I have myself ordered the 3M earplugs from Amazon, which look similar to this. Sometimes when I do not need to use those earmuffs, then I could simply put these earplugs inside my ears. These are also very good, and they also cancel the noise by around 60 to 70%. And in most cases, these are sufficient. And these are actually an essential if you just want to sleep by reducing the noise using these earplugs. So let me show you them to you as well. So guys, I have ordered the 3M earplugs also from the Amazon. It costed me 48 rupees for the set of 3 earplugs. So let me open them as well. So guys, these are the set of 3 earplugs that I have ordered for 48 rupees or around 50 cents. If you want, you can order just one. So that will cost you around 10 cents, or say that will cost you in India around 16 rupees from Amazon. I will put the link in the description below. These are also very good earplugs, but remember one thing guys, these are not reusable earplugs. If you use it for say for a few days, if you see that these are becoming dirty, please throw them away and order a new one. And if you wish, you can also wash them and use them again, but it cannot be used for multiple times. These are not actually reusable. So now let us open them from here like this. And these are the other set of the earplugs. If you see them, these are very similar to the ones that I have received with that other product. Very cheap, just 16 rupees, 10 cents, and these will do the job. As soon as you put them in your ears, you will find the difference. See here, in order to use them, again you have to roll them like this. Once you roll them, then after that put them inside your ear, and these will automatically expand inside your ear, filling all the gaps, and these will cancel the noise. I am again rolling them here. Roll this earbud and put this inside your ear like this. In most of the cases, this much is also very sufficient. But if you put on this earmuff on top of this, then it becomes a 100% noise cancelling solution. So that's it friends for today. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up by clicking on the like button which is just below this video. And if you are new to this channel, then please click on the subscribe button. And if you wish to receive the notifications when I upload new videos, then please also click on the bell icon which is right beside the subscribe button. Thank you friends. Have a great day ahead.